It's a wonderful morning, everyone. I'm here in my garden. I'm gonna see all my plants here on this side. Let's check if they're still thriving or what happened for a few days that the rain is really pouring hard. I have here my Ficus teneke. This is my newly propagated through air layering method. It's really thriving here. It's really nice to see that there are few leaves really unfurled, so it's already recovered. Beside my Ficus teneke, I have one philodendron here. This is really giving a nice vibe here, mixing a green with a yellow color, and this is golden yellow. A lemon lime philodendron also, this is climbing, while this one is the philodendron. Kindly drop the name of this fellow. I have forgotten on my list about the name of this fellow, and this is very nice. I really love this philodendron because of the veins wherein the netted part of the leaf is really showing the vibrant color. Look at that. It's a seduction of the white. It's just like silver lines that's really attaching. Can be seen on top of the green leaf, the green color. So I love this philodendron. I just let it climb here, though this is basal philodendron. It's not a climbing one as just like this that really climbs very fast compared to that fellow. I like the vibe here. I just mix all my plants here. One is anthurium also, because this anthurium is almost dying for last year, for the last 2 years. Yeah, that is why I transferred it here, because I really want to grow that anthurium. Very nice. So I have some plants here, tropical plants. This is my variegated yucca plant. This is a type of dracaena. I like this yucca plant, but I'm planning to propagate this one through cutting because there is no pop that really came out here, so I decided to propagate. I have some plants also here. I mixed my collection here.